Hi everyone, it's me, Sarah B. I am back to open a box from Dia & Company. Dia & Company is a clothing retailer that caters to sizes from, I think it's 10 or 12 to, I always get this wrong, I should always look it up, to 30, something like that. They just have an online store. You just go on and buy stuff. Or you can sign up for their fun subscription box and get a bunch of things, 5, sent to you on a regular basis to try them on in the comfort of your own home and make decisions about before having to commit to anything. It's $20 to get the box styled for you. If you, that $20 gets credited to whatever you keep. If you don't keep anything, you lose the $20. That's never been a problem for me. I've always wanted to keep probably more than what my budget would handle. Oh, the box says, "Welcome to the party." Thank you, Dia. I've had amazing luck with Dia boxes, and I'm super thrilled. So here's my note from my stylist and the invoice. Here's my bag. Prepaid postage bag to send back anything I don't want, or to do returns, exchanges for different sizes, that kind of thing. This box is completely full. Maybe it'll work like this. I coax it out of the box. Ta-da! Wait a minute. Ta-da! Oh no! That's my bundle. This is a little worrying. Oh, I think okay. I'm very excited about this one. The winter boxes have been so great, you guys. Everything is like so soft and lush and lovely. I'm really excited. My first Dia box is a new year. Oh man. So the other thing with Dia boxes is that you can pin a couple of pieces, I think up to 3, that you tell your stylist, like, I definitely want to try this in my box. I don't remember if I pinned anything this time or not. I don't remember. But this would have been something I probably would have pinned. This is amazing. It's beautiful. This is from Mira Lane. It's like this royal purple color. Super soft. And something that you could be casual or dressy. Now that I'm looking at it though, it has like this open work on the sleeves, which I don't love, mostly because I'm just cold all the time. And there's like, it's just one more thing to get snagged since I wear cardigans all the time anyway. But I'm still excited to try it on. This next piece from East Adeline. Oh man. It's a forest green, super cozy sweater, and as a knitter, I'm like super impressed by the cable pattern on it. And then it has like this fun detail at the sleeves and at the waist as well. I don't typically own a lot of just full cardigans, or full sweaters. I typically stick with cardigans because I can change them out more easily. But this would be really lovely for work, actually. We'll see how it feels. See if it feels really fancy with these flutter sleeves in the end. The third piece I may have pinned. This looks familiar. This looks really familiar. Did they send this in the last box? They might have sent this in the last box. This sweater, cameo appearance, it's like, yeah, they definitely sent this in the last box. It's a waterfall cardigan, which I loved, but it was like too expensive. They're toying with me. They're trying to get me to buy one because I do love it. I absolutely love this sweater, but I just couldn't fit it into my budget. Let's see what they say about it. A pair of jeans, Molly and Isadora, which is becoming one of my very favorite new brands. I got a dress from them through a ThredUp box, and that was my first introduction to Molly and Isadora. And I've purchased 1 or 2 pieces through Dia boxes from them. Jeans, and I need jeans. I totally need jeans right now. They're boot cut. Look, no, they look boot cut. I was gonna say they look a little skinny. And my like preferred wash color. So yay, excited about those. And this last piece, which had me a little nervous, is just a shawl. Not that it's just. I mean, it's beautiful. Tartan pattern from Baby It's Cold Outside. Shirley, Chicago. Virginia scarf. It's very cozy. Right now, also, it's like 20 degrees outside where I'm at. So anything to bundle up is appreciated. All right, I'm going to get changed and see what all of this looks like. And I'll be right back. The jeans are amazing. Amazing. Super stretchy, really comfortable. And the pockets are like legit pockets. You can actually like put stuff in them. Totally love these jeans. Just have to see if I love the price of these jeans. And then I still love this sweater. It's a sign maybe that it's time to like buckle down and just get it because I love it so much. The top is really comfy too. I'm not sure about like the detail. I don't know. But the color is nice. I don't have this color in my wardrobe. So that would be something fun. And like the detail on the sleeves isn't that big of a deal since I wear cardigans all the time anyway. So it's kind of a like, do I pay for the detail that doesn't get seen? I don't know. I'm doing a lot of this. Let me try on the sweater. I'll be right back. So I was really kind of hesitant about this when I first saw it because of like the fanciness, but I kind of really love it. And the other reason why I love it is that cropped sweaters are really in this season. Like I'm talking about what I know it's in this season, but I've seen a lot of cropped sweaters this season, and that's not something I'm comfortable wearing. But with like this added piece that makes it like cropped but not, it makes it totally doable. I could absolutely see me wearing this to work and being like hip and professional, and yeah, I actually really like it. And the color is good. It's a good winter color. I'm excited. Yay! All right, let's see how much everything costs and we'll break it down. Now let's see what my stylist said and how much it all comes down to cost. All right. First this. I'm Sabrina from Dallas. I'll be your stylist for this box. I picked out fresh looks for you and I want all the details. How you like the fit, the colors, the fabrics. I need the dish. I noticed you love the teal Nisha cardigan in a prior box, and I had to get it back out for you to try one more time. Sabrina, you little devil. Pair it with the Jackie tee and the Greenwich jeans with boots and the Carolina scarf. Ooh, for a layered look that pops with style. Rock the Debil sweater with the jeans and lined boots with the scarf and a long duster jacket for a fresh wintry look. I can't wait to see what you think. Don't hesitate to leave me a note on your feedback or visit the Dia shop to add your favorite pieces to your wish list. I will always try to find those pieces you love. Stay stylish, gorgeous. If clothes don't fit, it's the clothes, not you. Oh my God, I love that. I love that so much. Okay, so here's how it all breaks down. Oh my God. The Carolina scarf is only $18. What? That's crazy town. Sorry. It's like, so typically accessories are like super expensive, and so I just don't opt for them because they're super expensive. $18? Like, look how many times I can wrap this around my head. Okay. The Debil, I'm saying this wrong. It's East Adeline Dalibel mixed sweater. Sorry, East Adeline, for butchering the names of your beautiful clothing. $52, which thing for a good sweater is not outrageous by any means. And I really do like it. It's definitely something new in my wardrobe. The Jackie V-neck lattice shoulder tee is $35, which I guess is a little, I mean, it's more than I typically spend on t-shirts, but this isn't just a t-shirt, so something to think about. The Greenwich, oh my God, the Greenwich bootcut jean that I loved is only $65, which I think is a really good price for a pair of jeans that I love. And the Nisha draped cozy waterfall cardigan is $49 now. It was definitely more than that the last time I looked. Oh no. Oh no. So everything is $219. The styling fee gets credited away. That was $20. The 25% off when you buy everything is another $54 off, which brings the whole total down to $144. Oh no. I was gonna be good. I was gonna pick a couple pieces. This is crazy. I've got some hard decisions to make. And like really quickly. Sabrina, you devil. In a delightful way. All right, I need to think about this and make some hard decisions. Do I just keep the whole box? Because like the pieces I love, like the jeans are $65, the sweater is $52. Math is I may as well just keep the whole box for the $144 with the discount. And the sweater is only $50 now. I think it was like $80 last time I looked at it. And that's why I didn't keep it. Because it was like $70 or $80 and I was like, I can't keep it for that much. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to think on this. Let me know in the comments. I'm going to take this off. Let me know in the comments what you think I should keep. I should keep the whole box, shouldn't I? I don't know. Let me know. And we'll go for there. I have a referral code in the description. If you're interested in trying Dia Box, it will get you, I think, $10 towards your first box. Get you started on this wonderful, exciting adventure. I hope you're all well. Thanks for joining me as always. Until next time.